Oh my goodness. This is yummy.
Let's go.
Guys, I just realized that I wasn't recording when I put in the berries. So basically, I'll just explain it. So I put in, well, all the ingredients will be in the description box. But I put in like a mix of strawberries and blueberries. This is just a mix of pure strawberries and blueberries. Then just like this, I mixed it in with about a tablespoon of flour. Then I poured it into here. So I just poured it into here after it was fully coated and just folded it in like this. That is all. Okay. I'll write everything in the description. I'll write the full recipe in the description box. I'm so sorry. I didn't know I wasn't recording. Okay, on to the next thing. You will notice that they start to sink after you bring it out. That is normal, unfortunately. And how you know if they're done is that if you poke, use a tiny skewer. Please don't use a big one. Don't use chopsticks like this. See the difference? Unless you're going to cover it, which we're going to do some with yogurt frosting. So basically, if you poke it and you bring it out, nothing comes out. It means that all the flour has been like cooked, or maybe just a little bit, but this is okay. It means that all the flour has been cooked and there's no residual like raw flour here. So I'm just going to let this cool down for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back.